Well, hello everybody. It's Joe Campisano, Campisano Marine, and we are coming to you live in our new corporate offices. We went through a little bit of upgrades and changes for about 6 weeks between painting and phones and electronics, etc. But we are in our office at 3828 River Road, which is conveniently located between the Safe Harbor Manasquan River Club and right across the street from the Crystal Point Yacht Club and directly across the street from Marine Max in Brick. We have total access to all the marinas, and it's a little bit more centralized location to help us manage our boats and our insurance clients. Take you for a quick tour. I'm going to spin the bit, and this is the corporate office. This is my office here, and you can see where all the magic happens. It's a nice little office, I'll tell you what. Our good friend now, our new landlord, Howie Teitelbaum, real great guy, was able to help us out tremendously. Our reception area, which is a nice little area where you will eventually walk in and say hi to Sherry. And we have an office here, which is basically housed by our two boys. This is Joey's desk. He handles most of our boat and yacht brokerage and supports on the insurance side. And just a quick swing around, this is Anthony's little cubby hole. Anthony is an apprentice in the insurance office, loves it, enjoying himself a little bit. And they have plenty of room to stay away from each other and work on what they're supposed to be doing. But pretty much, this is what we do. Buy, sell, and insure your vessels right here with us. We have, right now, currently about 30 listings, and we are growing exponentially, as you can imagine, as far as our listings go and our insurance companies. We do still do the home, the auto, the flood, but we are really focusing on just our boat insurance clients to offer that as an ancillary type of insurance product for them. So if you need just auto and home, we're really not the place for you. We are designed and set up, frankly, to do primary boat and yacht insurance. It's 90% of our business anyway. As far as the boat and yacht brokerage goes, of course, we have listings available. We can list your boat anywhere, anyway. We're on the multiple listing services. We advertise on Yacht World, Boat Trader. We have different options for you. So if it's something that you're interested in, you're thinking about selling your boat and you're not quite sure, let's talk about it. That's the best way to get a hold of me is 732-892-8826. Shoot out an email to joe@campisanomarine.com. We're usually available for you. We'll sit down and try to give you the best opportunity that we think that you can do to sell your boat. Even if you're looking to buy, we can also do some professional shopping for you. But hope everybody's doing well. Thank you for watching the video. We will talk to you real soon.